the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
I have the bed off of a 2016 F-150. This is another aluminum bed. It has damage all throughout this area. Got drugged down the side. Kind of has a crown right up in here from all this getting pushed in. It's going to get a new wheelhouse, 2 new wheelhouse pieces, this lower piece and the center part. I already cut the bottom piece off. So now I have this one to cut out. Once I get that cut out, I will work all this panel back into shape. And when I get the metal where it's supposed to be, I'll put the new pieces in and finish out the outside. So I just realized that this top wheelhouse is lapped behind this one, this front extension here, or rear extension actually. So I'm gonna have them order this as well because I won't be able to get to this bottom rivets on this one. So I'm gonna cut this out and replace this front piece as well. Alright, I got this one all primed up. I got my 3 wheelhouse pieces here. I did actually already have this one. I didn't realize I already had it here. We had it ordered already, so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping these pieces out, and I'll get these pieces rivet bonded in place.